the thing about technical support compared to customer support is kailangan mas witty ka, kailangan you can think outside of the box, kailangan marunong kang sumunod ng instructions based sa knowledge base nyo, and if hindi available yung answer, kailangan marunong kang mag-magic. Tinatanong dito ng greatest gift, support tech is my script po kaya yun? Meron naman, for the most part. Pero, you see, for example, if technical support ka, tumawag si customer na ang problem niya is, I'm not able to connect to X, Y, and Z. So, meron ka ngayong susundin na process. Makikita mo sa knowledge base nyo. Initially, kailangan mo talaga tumingin sa knowledge base, paano ba i-resolve tong ganitong problem. Unable to connect to XYZ. Did the customer try this? Yes, no. Ito yung kasunod na step. Pag sinabi ni customer na, yes, I tried na. Okay, so, customer, kailangan mong gawin ito. Nagawa na ba ni customer? Yes, no. Pagka, alam mo yung ganun, kailangang iisa-isahin mo. I think apart from stretchable brain cells, tech support also need to possess a lot of patience because not many people are able to follow instructions. Mas madali kasi kapag face-to-face. Halimbawa, nasira yung computer mo. So, pag dinala mo yun sa technician, sila na yung mag-check na ganyan. If you are assisting technically, if you are assisting a customer online, ikaw ang magbibigay ng instructions sa kanila. Kailangan you be able to communicate with them na, ito yung gagawin mo, ano yung nakita mong result, meron bang spark, meron bang gano'n. Technically, tinuturuan mo yung customer na ayusin yung problema nila on their end, and then virtual mo lang silang tinutulungan. Now, there will be times na makaka-encounter ng problem si customer na wala sa knowledge base mo, and dito talaga matetest yung how will you do your magic as a technical support representative. Meron na bang mga products na madali-daling i-support? Halimbawa, SAS. Eto, madali ito kasi pwede mo silang remote assist kineso. But I think sa lahat ng services na pwede mong i-offer, ang pinakang mahirap gawin para sa akin bukod sa sales, kung hindi ka sanay ng sales, is technical support. Pero alam nyo, kung kayo ay sanay ng maging technical support sa mga BPO, yon, madali kayong makaka-transition hindi yung service na i-offer nyo online. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, all from or work from home chismis. Bye!